Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 58 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series from our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to join me and build along with me this beautiful, beautiful 1/8 scale Batmobile, head over to this link all the way along there. Pop. There's a clickable version just below in the description, and you too can be building this beautiful, beautiful partwork. So let's have a scoot through the magazine. There's the section on the TV show there with all the cast and crew, with this week's special guest villains, Marsha, Queen of Diamonds. There you go. Great Batman comics there. Where were you on the night Batman was killed? Shock horror. Batman Year by Year from the year 1990, the start of the Dark Knight, Gothic style Batman comics. Good era. Batman Year by Year. This is your car parts today. We've got the detector scope LED, and we got the rear turn signals, and we got another 2 model supports for the other side, folks. Rather sinister looking Robin there, by the way. This is where we're going to be working today on the PCB again, plugging in all the LEDs where they go in their appropriate sockets, installing all the electrical cables around the Batmobile, getting it all ready. And there it shows you how the model supports work as well. Okay. And this is the result of today's efforts. We're going to have more wires on this circuit board, folks. Okay. So let's put this to one side. We'll bring our parts in and the Batmobile, and we'll get some of this put together for you. So there you go. There's another pair of stands for the model. So we'll go with the other 2 we've got. And then we got some more LED wires there, folks. So we'll do the similar thing there. We've got E, M, F today. So we're going to start with E, which is this one. So we'll unravel the plug so that we can get that plugged into the circuit board for you. So E is right there, right at the top, folks. Let's plug E in. She's done. We can now quickly ravel E back up, neaten it up a tad, just like so. Oh, just wrap that round on itself, nice and loose. Tuck that just over there. Next up, we want M. So we'll unravel M, get that sorted. That's the way they've done it. They've looped it through there. Let's bring that out the way. I'll unravel this and then I can redo her. So we want M. M is going round the other side there. Yeah, it is an M. Mine, letter M, is printed upside down for whatever reason. But it is M, right over there. There you go. So that's that. We can re-ravel that. Just like so. Just try and tidy up as best we can. And last but no means least is F, which is this one. Again, we'll unravel this like so. Bring out the plug, which is what we're after. And F is going right up the back there. And there's a spin the connector around like so. And F is going up there, just like so. Can now pop that just over the back there. So it's looking a bit wild at the moment, but this is where the cable management is going to come in handy later on, folks. Okay, so that's what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks. Another 3 wires on the lights. So don't forget, if you'd like to grab this and build along with me, follow this link. This will take you to the Fanhome website. Pop. There's a clickable version below in the description. Also, to help me out, if you can just click little faster and subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll be eternally grateful, folks. Also, whilst you're there, give the bell a little ring, select all, and you'll get notified of future upcoming content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.